And over 1,000 people are victims of human trafficking in Nebraska each month, according to the organization known as I've Got a Name. And since January is Human Trafficking Awareness Month, the local hospital is sharing how they're helping those victims. Local 4's Jartavius Edmonds shares the story.
Since the inception, the Human Trafficking Hotline has identified over 500 cases for human trafficking in Nebraska, and over 1,000 victims were identified in those cases. CHI Health of St. Francis says they're here to help those victims.
At St. Francis, we have a dedicated space called our Serenity Suite that we can take victims of domestic violence, human trafficking, sexual assaults into. That's a private, more comfortable, relaxed space that we are able to do the interview and medical exam in, all in one very confidential area.
Okay, now she says there's a step-by-step process once the victim is into the suite, but the goal is to provide a safe space for the victim.
Dina created a resource guide that has entities of clothing, food, shelter, basic necessities that people will need, and that guide provides them with all of those things so they're easily accessible to them. Because, you know, in time of need, your mind is not thinking of those things, and it's very difficult to track them down.
She added they will coordinate with law enforcement agencies and human trafficking nonprofit organizations whenever there's a human trafficking case, but they keep things confidential out of respect of the victim. She also says during the month of January, the hospital will have red lighting for Human Trafficking Awareness Month. In Grand Island, Jartavius Edmonds, Local 4 News.